Come sit in stillness with me for a moment. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes or let your gaze rest softly on the screen as you listen to my voice. As you breathe in and out, feel your body gently expanding and contracting. And as you settle into this rhythm, remember, your body is not just flesh and bone. It's made of matter, just like everything else. And matter is made of atoms. Each cell in your body contains trillions of them, tiny, intricate building blocks of life. Atoms themselves are unimaginably small. Each one holds a dense nucleus of protons and neutrons, surrounded by a shimmering cloud of electrons. But if we look even closer, we find something more mysterious. These particles aren't solid, not in the way we imagined. They're made of even smaller components, dancing to the strange rules of quantum physics. This is the invisible architecture of your being, the quantum fabric that gives rise to everything you are. At this level, things behave differently. Particles can exist in many states at once. They can influence each other instantly, even across great distances. They don't act like marbles, they ripple like waves, shifting fields of energy and probability. So, what are you made of? You're made of atoms, built from particles, shaped by the quantum laws that bend our understanding of reality. And even though your body feels solid, it's mostly empty space, a delicate balance of energy held together by invisible forces. At the smallest scale, you are a cloud of quantum potential, momentarily organized into the experience of life. In our everyday world, objects stay put. A chair is here or it's not. We expect things to have clear positions. But in the quantum world, the rules shift. Particles behave more like waves than fixed points. They don't have a single, definite location until they are observed. Instead, they exist in many possible places at once, a shimmering field of potential. This concept is known as superposition. And it's not just theory, we've seen it again and again in experiments. Take the famous double-slit experiment. When particles are sent toward a barrier with two slits, they don't simply go through one or the other. They act as if they moved through both at the same time, interfering with themselves like waves on water. But the moment we observe them, the particle chooses, the wave collapses, and a single path appears. So yes, at the quantum level, particles can be in more than one place at once, and not because they're teleporting, but because until we look, they exist as possibilities, not certainties. And that's where intention enters. Because when we say, imagine being everything, everywhere, all at once, before we make the sound of Om, we're not just speaking metaphorically. In that moment of stillness, your awareness touches the same truth the quantum world reveals, that your being, your matter, holds the potential to exist in all places, as all things, in all states, everything, everywhere, all at once, held gently in the breath before the sound. Would you like to see what that looks like? Open your eyes.